Which Indian city recently inaugurated the first underwater metro station? A. Kochi. B. Kolkata. C. Mumbai. D. Chennai. Correct answer, B. Kolkata. Who has been named the new Chief of the Defence Staff, CDS, of India in August 2025? A. Lt. Gen. Anil Chauhan. B. JMP Kalita. C. Admiral Hari Kumar. D. Air Chief Marshal V.R. Chaudhary. Correct answer, A. Lt. Gen. Anil Chauhan. Which country signed a defence agreement with India to jointly develop AI-based military technologies? A. France. B. Israel. C. USA. D. South Korea. Correct answer, B. Israel. India's first national carbon trading platform was launched by which ministry? A. Ministry of Environment. B. Ministry of Power. C. Ministry of Commerce. D. Ministry of Finance. Correct answer, B. Ministry of Power. Which Indian tennis player announced retirement from international tennis in August 2025? A. Rohan Bopanna. B. Sumit Nagal. C. Ramkumar Ramnathan. D. Yuki Bhambari. Correct answer, A. Rohan Bopanna. What is the name of the cyclone that recently formed in the Bay of Bengal in August 2025? A. Cyclone Varun. B. Cyclone Tez. C. Cyclone Mega. D. Cyclone Asha. Correct answer, D. Cyclone Asha. Which Indian bank became the first to enable CBDC, digital rupee, withdrawals via UPI? A. SBI. B. ICICI Bank. C. HDFC Bank. D. Axis Bank. Correct answer, C. HDFC Bank. Which country launched the Ocean Guard 2025 naval exercise in the Indian Ocean? A. Australia. B. China. C. India. D. USA. Correct answer, C. India. Which state launched the Har Ghar Water Meter scheme to monitor water usage? A. Punjab. B. Haryana. C. Rajasthan. D. Delhi. Correct answer, D. Delhi. Who has been awarded the 2025 Saraswati Samman for Literature? A. Arundhati Roy. B. Perumal Murugan. C. Ruskin Bond. D. Amitav Ghosh. Correct answer, B. Perumal Murugan. India signed a free trade agreement, FTA, in August 2025 with which country? A. UK. B. Australia. C. UAE. D. Japan. Correct answer, A. UK. Which Indian airport became the first to operate fully on hydrogen power for ground services? A. Hyderabad. B. Bengaluru. C. Cochin. D. Delhi. Correct answer, B. Bengaluru. Which mobile app was launched by the Government of India to track skill development schemes? A. Skill Track. B. Kaushal Setu. C. Skill India app. D. Rojgar Vikas. Correct answer, B. Kaushal Setu. Which Indian PSU has been ranked among the world's top 50 sustainable corporations in 2025? A. ONGC. B. NTPC. C. Indian Oil. D. Coal India. Correct answer, B. NTPC. What is the theme for Quit India Movement Day 2025 observed on 8th August? A. Freedom through unity. B. Azadi ka Sankalp. C. Bharat Chhodo Viksit Bharat Banao. D. Revolution for Tomorrow. Correct answer, C. Bharat Chhodo Viksit Bharat Banao. Who has been appointed as the new CEO of Niti Aayog? A. Amitabh Kant. B. Parmeshwaran Iyer. C. V.K. Paul. D. Anurag Jain. Correct answer, D. Anurag Jain. Which Indian state recorded the highest solar power production in July 2025? A. Rajasthan. B. Gujarat. C. Tamil Nadu. D. Karnataka. Correct answer, A. Rajasthan. Which Indian sportsperson became the new world number 1 in badminton men's singles, BWF, in August 2025? A. Lakshya Sen. B. Kidambi Shrikant. C. H.S. Pranoy. D. Chirag Shetty. Correct answer, A. Lakshya Sen. Who is the newly appointed Director General of CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research? A. D.R.N. Kalaiselvi. B. Dr. Shekhar Mande. C. Dr. Anil Joshi. D. Dr. Rajesh Gokhale. Correct answer, D. Dr. Rajesh Gokhale. Which company launched India's first AI-powered newsreader in regional languages? A. Annie. B. Prasar Bharati. C. Times Now. D. DD News. Correct answer, D. DD News.